Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to get the date and the time in the JavaScript. Let's get started. So you can see that we have the new date object. Okay. So if I go and just adding this one, okay, so what we are going to print, we are able to get all the details of that date and the time, right, with the Indian standard time. So how to extract the date and the time? So we have the function that is look to locale date string to locale time string. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. So here we go with this one. So just add console date string and the time string, this one. So just add over here, console.log. So here we will add here. Okay, so we will add this one, new date to locale date string to locale time string. So let's enter this one. So here you can see that this is the date and this is the time. Okay, so you will get this like if you add to locale date string and to locale time string. If okay, so next point is that how to format this date and the time. That is also a question. How to remove that PM also and convert into the that part also. We have also the function of this. Okay, so we will use this one. So console.log. Okay, so enter this one and let's have enter what we're gonna be printing. You can see that it has conversion of a 12-hour format, right? So you can see that 12-hour is false. Otherwise, we currently you can set this 3 and it's 15 conversion. If we make it true, then it is again 3 this part, right? So this is the one way. If you want to remove only just numeric you want, right? And anything, yeah, if you extract the full year, month, and the seconds, hours, you can use the syntax over here. So I will show you console.log. Okay, so here you need to add now dot get. Here we have the get date, get day, get full year, get hour, get milliseconds, get minutes, get month, seconds, time, time offset, UTC, UTC day, get full year, get UTC hours, get UTC minutes, milliseconds. So you these are all the functions of that one that you can use to get your required parameters. If you want the date, you can use the full year, get hours, milliseconds, you can use any of them. Okay. So this is the full date object parameters that you can extract from that date. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.